people, endless possibilities. New ideas rise like waves. All it takes is the right touch at the right time to connect everything, to make it happen. We felt it all our lives with our family, our friends, our community. Through time, evolution has always been resetting, restarting, reinventing, in order to bring well-being to people and society. More than evolution, it becomes revolution. But now the game has changed entirely. Not just a digit, but a whole digital revolution. Industry 4.0.
We live in a time of revolution, a time of technological, industrial, and economic revolution. Europe has got some of the best manufacturing companies in the world. We also have some of the best scientific institutions and technological research centers. But today, speed to market is key.
Today, in a Europe more challenged than ever, EIT Manufacturing is a new innovation community within the European Institute of Innovation and Technology that connects the leading manufacturing actors in Europe. A true catalyst of Europe's manufacturing hub, EIT Manufacturing facilitates the creation of powerful innovation ecosystems, thus creating competitive and sustainable manufacturing.
Bringing new solutions to market does not only require innovation, but also skills and value creation. We have launched ambitious programs on innovation, education, and business creation.
Therefore, EIT Manufacturing will contribute further for the manufacturing pillar in the European economy to become stronger and stronger over the years.
Our goal is that by 2030, 60% of the European manufacturing companies adopt sustainable production practices. In Europe, we have more than 2 million enterprises active in the manufacturing domain. And we have to support making Europe a role model for sustainable manufacturing in the world.
EIT Manufacturing brings together the three sides of the knowledge triangle: education, innovation, and business creation, connecting people in enhancing skills, presenting groundbreaking technology to the markets, and linking innovators to business investors.
Our strong and unique partnership covers the whole value chain and the full product life cycle. And with our partners from the digitalization domain, we are able to establish unique digitalized value chains.
EIT Manufacturing is an opportunity for partners. Together, we are able to create innovative projects, to create strong skills for manufacturing, and to work on new business or business model for our products.
EIT Manufacturing's ability to solve complex challenges while delivering high societal and industrial impact is defined by our main focus in people and robots for sustainable work, additive manufacturing for full flexibility, zero-defect manufacturing and circular economy, and platforms for digitalized value networks.
We are working together to develop the skills, to bring the innovations to market, and to create new European value chains that will make us competitive where it matters.
EIT Manufacturing is providing new funding to Europe's manufacturing industry, especially aiming at small and medium-sized enterprises, creating a stronger Europe for years to come.
Our vision that global manufacturing innovation is led by Europe is more and more within reach. This new era of digitalization brings us closer together and gives a better chance for us to collaborate and be more conscious. There's a whole new ground to explore. We aim for better lives, sustainable jobs, and a healthy planet for future generations. Join us and take the lead on this exciting journey of making innovation happen in manufacturing.